Just download this application, let it run on your computer, and then start collecting profits all in passive income without doing absolutely anything. Hi guys, I'm Hiren Hirani, and today I'm going to be showing you a way through which you can earn $1,000 to mine cryptocurrency for absolutely free. Cryptocurrencies are still skyrocketing, and with this method you can start earning coins as a complete beginner. Guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through 2021 as well as through all of the upcoming years. But guys, I'm going to share a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profits, to make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any part. But before I start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any new opportunity to earn profitable cryptocurrencies online. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump into website number 1. Now guys, Cryptex.org is basically a website through which you can mine cryptocurrencies, and it pays you bitcoins or real world money. Now guys, I have personally been using Cryptex for quite some time now, and the results that I have gotten from Cryptex have been staggering. Like, I have a GTX 1070 and I'm able to make $80 to $90 every single month for just the fact that I'm keeping my computer running and I do all the things that I do normally, and still I'm making money. Now that easily pays my electricity bill, and I think that it is very sweet because I can quite literally pay my bill for just free because I'm not doing absolutely anything. So over here you can see that you can withdraw bitcoins and send money directly to a bank card, and the minimum withdrawal amount is just $0.5. So how does it work and how do you get started? You simply download the application onto your computer and you install it for absolutely free. So Cryptex will test your PC performance, and once it knows how good your PC is, then it's gonna start mining and show you how much money you will be able to make by end of every single month. Now all that you need to do is simply keep Cryptex running and use your browser and other app while Cryptex is running in the background, and you can get paid and you can start earning money ASAP. So after that, below you have their download option to simply download their application and then simply make money from that. So guys, over here you can see an estimation as how much money you can make from Cryptex itself. So if you have like a decent gaming PC, you can make $95 every single month. If you have like a mining rig, you can make $600 plus, and if you have multiple rigs, well then guys, you can be making 10,000, 11,000. Guys, like, this is totally powerful and totally doable with all these applications. So guys, this was website number 1, and now we're gonna jump into website number 2. We have Unminable.com, and it is basically a website that's gonna pay you to mine various different cryptocurrencies. Now if I were to go to their homepage, I can see a list of cryptocurrencies that they offer. They offer Bitcoin, they offer Ethereum, they offer Ethereum Classic, as well as they offer many more coins as well. So like, you can literally mine any coin that you want. Like, you know now that EOS is on the rise, and you can be mining EOS, you can be mining Litecoin, you can mine Dogecoin, you can mine Vivo coin as well. So like, the potential is quite literally endless, and I would personally go as far to say that like, this is the best mining software out there. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to simply choose a coin that you want to mine. So for example, let's say you want to mine Bitcoin. Go over to Bitcoin from over here, simply choose one of the 4 options that they have available over here. Now these 2 options are basically for computers that have fast graphic cards. So basically, if you have like a dedicated GPU, well then you can definitely choose one of these 2 options, because these are going to be taking full power of your computer. If you have a slower computer, well then don't worry, you can choose either of these 2 options and they are going to give you the best results. Now below that you can see their global servers, and also below that you can see your worker's name. So basically, when you install their mining software, they will ask you about your worker name, and you will get your Bitcoin wallet address in a format like this. So basically, with your name, your address, your BTC number, so like, this is basically all you need to do and get started. Simply choose one of these 4 miners. Simply go with LOL miner, I would say, because that is one of the best in my opinion. And then you're over here, simply download the mining files and you are done to start mining. So guys, this was website number 2, and now we're going to be jumping on to website number 3. We have NiceCash.com. Now guys, NiceCash.com, basically another mining software through which you can connect your GPU, CPU and start earning bitcoins. It is very easy to start earning Bitcoin, and you can quite literally make a lot of money with that. So over here on the NiceHash exchange, they have over 50 cryptocurrencies that you can trade and you can make money from. Now from over here you can see the profitability. If you want, you can do that, but it's all up to you. I'm not going to waste your time with that. So the more hash power you have, the more money you're going to be making, and the more money you make, the more bitcoins you get. So guys, that basically wraps up NiceCash, and now we're going to be jumping into website number 4. We have bmine.club. Now guys, bmine.club is basically another amazing mining software, but the best part about this is that they are totally a cloud base. So basically you pay them a certain fees every single month and they will mine for you a lot of money. Now how does this work? You simply buy their Antminer and you make profit every single month. Now that is how it works. So guys, now what I want you to do is that from over here you can just simply buy a membership or simply use their referral program to share it with your friends and families and make money from that, and then buy yourself a mining tool. So this is how this website works, and now we're going to be jumping into the last website we have for you in this video, which is Honeyminer.com. Now guys, Honeyminer.com is very similar to Cryptex. Now both of these softwares do the exact same thing. You can start mining cryptocurrency right now with Honeyminer by just simply downloading it on your computer or your Mac, depending on which operating system you're watching this from. Sign up within a minute and you become an expert miner. Then after that you stick with it. You join the Honeyminer community and let Honeyminer run on your computer. You share your extra GPU, CPU power. Your computer mines coins and helps blockchain. Honeyminer converts these coins into bitcoins automatically and you get bitcoin into your account. So guys, that is how it basically works, and that wraps up our video. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they have had, every single thing for you, like go out and do these methods, try them out. These are different applications, try these different websites. It is really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and families, because in this difficult time everybody needs a job, but also it helps you like make a living for yourself, earn some extra additional money for yourself, and you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that is buying a Lamborghini, whether that is buying your own motorcycle, whether that is helping someone else. It all depends on you, but my job is to make sure that you guys get the resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and this is our goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments. If you really want help, I will guide you till the end. Until and unless you guys understand every single thing, guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. Guys, if you guys face any confusion, any issue at all, let me know in the comment below. I'll be sure to address them all. And thank you for watching. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.